your blood clot, woman say you can't fuck her good. And the scammer going to take your blood clot woman from you. Your blood clot. And you're going to get put no pussy clot. You have I call me bumbo clot. I mean, I don't even know you're pussy well. Leave me alone about Panama. You talk about Panama and England, me I go next. A blood clot, England, me I go next January fly. You me I tell you boom boom, the blood clot, leave me alone. Bumbo clot, bumbo clot, boom boom. Leave me alone. Drunk out, slime bucket, boom boom. Leg on me blood clot and boom boom. Leg on me t-shirt. Leg on me blood clot t-shirt, boom boom. Come find your blood clot and leg from your bumbo clot. So, slime bucket of blood clot. When a man, move the blood clot from me now. Come on from me, you have crosses. Come on from me. You have crosses. You have big old crosses, yo. Derrick, come on from me. Come on for me climb, come on for me slime, come on for me jungle, come on for me dead meat, come on for me crab louse, no blood clot, dead meat. Break, all choke, up, all vagabond, bomber clot, yo. Pick up your blood clot, pick out your blood clot. Boom boom. Oh yeah, straight man, I call up my name. But Maka should have carried me from Panama. It's not easy. I want to mash up, I don't want to come back. I don't want to bring me down. I don't even know you come like a rubbish. Rubbish. Them all choke with up on the roadside, boom boom. Big fish. Yeah, big fish on the body, boom boom. Move your blood clot and way. You talk about Maka should have carried me away. Drunk crow. Make sure we have pussy old man. Swipe it, just swipe pussy like a dog. Drunk crow, dead meat, your blood clot, leave me alone in a dead hole. You come like a them big old fly. You come like a big old pellet bowl. Slime bowl. Guys. Brittany go buy bicycle. I know she said to go buy a bike. And she can't ride bikes. And she jump over the bike. Guys, on TikTok again, Brittany says she buy bike. Anybody will sell Brittany, they know say they're mad summer because they know say Brittany sick in our brains. Why they make Brittany buy the bike and she crash off of the bike? Guys, Brittany crash off of the bike. Brittany crash off of the bike. She could have lose her life. Guys, Brittany buy and crash off of the bike. Guys, Brittany buy bike and crash off of the bike. Oh God. Who side for Brittany on TikTok? Everybody on TikTok know Brittany. Tappy Brittany buy bike. No